Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use Notion to manage your yoga class schedules. It's an absolute game changer for yoga instructors, and here's how it's done. The first step is to create a new page in Notion. This will serve as your dedicated yoga class schedule page. Click on the plus new page button, name it something like Yoga Class Schedule. The reason we do this is to have an organized workspace where all your scheduling takes place. Now that we've done that, it's time to create a calendar. Click on the plus Add a Block button and choose Calendar. This helps us because the calendar view allows you to visually plan and manage your classes. You can see your entire schedule at a glance, which comes in handy as your classes grow in number. Next up, let's add some class events to your calendar. Click on any date and add a new event. You can name it after your class and even add in details like timings, number of students, or notes about the session. This step is crucial because it helps you keep track of each class, and you can add important details right where you'll need them. But what if you have different types of classes or different locations? Here's where Notion's tagging feature comes in handy. You can add tags to your events to categorize them. Maybe you have a beginner class, an advanced class, or classes at Studio 1 and Studio 2. Tagging helps you filter your calendar view based on these tags, making it easier to manage varied schedules. Now let's talk about reminders. Notion allows you to set reminders for your classes. Just click on the event and select Remind. You can set it to remind you a day before, an hour before, whatever works best for you. The reason we do this is to ensure you never miss a class or a preparation session, especially when juggling multiple schedules. Now that we've got our schedule set up, the last step is to share it. If you wish, you can share this calendar with your students or co-instructors. Just click on Share at the top right and send them the link. This helps us because it allows others to see your availability and class schedules in real time, reducing back and forths and potential mix-ups. And that's it. You've just learned how to manage your yoga class schedules using Notion. It's a powerful tool that can streamline your scheduling process and make your life as a yoga instructor that much easier. Thank you for joining us, and see you next time.